G'day, it's Keegan here from Greenhouse IT for Greenhouse IT Ecommerce Academy. In this video we're going to show you how to set up GST as well as other taxes inside your instant e-commerce site powered by CS Cart. So we're going to go ahead now and open up our CS Cart administration panel. Managing your taxes inside of CS Cart is as easy as clicking on the Shipping and Taxes tab and then clicking on the Taxes link, or alternatively you can get there from the Quick menu by selecting Taxes. Now, there's no taxes set up in the system at the moment, so let's go ahead and add GST to our CS Cart Instant E-commerce store. So we click the Add Tax button here. Under Name, you just put in GST. It's okay to use the short code for the tax that you're adding. Under Registration Number, you just put the registration number for the tax that you're adding. In the case of GST, you put in your ABN, but this isn't a required field. It's okay to leave this blank. You can charge GST based on where your customers are located, so you might only want to charge tax such as GST to customers located within Australia, and this box tells the system whether or not to calculate that by the customer's shipping address or their billing address. But in most cases, customers are going to have the same address for their shipping address as they do for their billing address, so it doesn't make a whole lot of difference. I'm going to leave it at the default of shipping address. Down here, you check this box if the prices that you've added into your CS Cart system are GST inclusive. Otherwise, if you leave this box blank, the system will automatically add GST at the rate we define to all purchases from your store. So I'm going to click Create just to save that now, so that's saved into the system. Now I'm going to click on the Tax Rates link to go into here and edit the tax rates. Tax rates are broken up by locations that you can set up from the Locations option up here. There's another video tutorial for that because the locations are also used for calculating shipping methods, but there's also this default destination, so you can put in a tax rate to charge no matter where your customers are located. But I've also created an Australia location, so in this case I'm going to just charge GST to Australian customers, that is customers who have a shipping address in Australia, because I selected shipping address on the last screen. So I'm going to go in here, and for rate value for Australia I'm going to put in 10. And under type, I'm going to change from absolute 2%. So we're going to charge 10% to customers who have their shipping address in Australia. So then we click Save and Close, and it's as easy as that. GST set up inside the system. Next thing you want to do, though, if you've already added products, you have to go back and make sure that the tax that you've set up is applied to those products. So we click on Catalog, click on Products, open up any one of these demo products we've got in this store. Scroll down under Pricing and Inventory, right at the bottom here, we've got taxes. This area will list all the taxes that you've set up inside the system. There's no limit to how many taxes you can set up. You got to check this box though to make sure the GST is applied to this product. Then we click Save and Close, and it's as easy as that. GST will now be applied to all customers in Australia who purchase that product, and it's as simple as that. And you can get pretty creative and configure it as much as you need to as well. For more handy tips and tutorials, visit the e-commerce academy site at greenhouseit.com.au.